Bulabinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. At the outset, I would like to thank the village elders for this welcome Yamana ceremony. I would also like to thank, as mentioned earlier on by the Master of Ceremonies, to all our stakeholders for their support and to make this workshop a successful. But this afternoon, I'm glad to be here to officially close this training and would like to thank you all for your warm and kind welcome. I'd also like to acknowledge the trainees for your commitment to this training. You now join other youths from other divisions who have successfully completed this training. Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, this Seeds of Success program is about planting seeds of positive thoughts, good character, awareness of purpose, and habits that support our goals in life. It is through this program that people will build values that leads to success. The program was designed to unearth and develop the best in you, empowering you to be the agents of change, development and sustainable livelihood in your communities. The Ministry for Youth and Sports is committed to empower our young people, not just here, but throughout the country, through personal and professional development and supporting them to create sustainable livelihoods. It is pleasing to note that in total participation of 36 youths who have successfully completed this training. Naka. I hope that you have taken the full advantage of this training. And I sincerely hope that this will prove beneficial for you all and you are able to recognize your true potential as leaders. The ministry is mandated to propel the youth sector in Fiji. And as such, we intend to create a culture of diverse networking among youth groups and stakeholders. Just 2 weeks ago, we had 200 young people across the country for our National Summit on Climate Change. And I want to urge all of you here this afternoon to please liaise with our officials who are based here in Nandi. And if you have any issues in regards to climate change, please let us know. I can tell you something. There were so many things that we were not aware of, my ministry, in regards to climate challenges that our youths are going through in certain areas. And that platform gave opportunity to the youth to speak and come out with the challenges that they were facing in their own respective communities, especially in maritime. And there has been an outcome of the forum, and we will follow on that, and we will see how we can assist our youth throughout the country. And if you are one of them, please liaise with our officials based here in Nadi so that we can assist you. To the trainees, as we conclude the training today, I hope that you have been able to sharpen your individual skill sets. You will now look beyond the horizon at the goals you will set for yourselves. Goals that you can and will definitely achieve. I've been told by my officials that you all have engaged very actively in this training, so which is good. And this is not the only training that you people have undergone. There are more trainings coming up, and we would like you people to please come forward. Those who are not here, inform them about these trainings, and we will definitely come back and conduct the other trainings as well. I strongly believe that you will lead with dedication and vision, while also training and empowering your friends and colleagues to become excellent leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, I thank you all for your participation, and I now have much pleasure to declare this training closed. And at this juncture, I would also like to take this opportunity in wishing you all a blessed Easter. Naka.